The lifestyle of Genghis Khan, 1800 characters. Genghis Khan, born as Temujin in 1162, rose from a tribal outcast to the founder of the Mongol Empire, the largest contiguous empire in history. His lifestyle was shaped by the harsh Mongolian steppes, vast, cold, and unforgiving. From an early age, he learned survival, archery, and horseback riding. Simplicity and discipline defined his personal life. He wore plain clothes made from felt or animal skins and lived in a gur, a portable tent suited for the nomadic life. Though he commanded massive armies, Genghis Khan preferred modesty over luxury. He ate simple foods like mutton, fermented mare's milk, arag, and wild game. His leadership style was deeply rooted in loyalty and merit. He promoted generals based on talent, not noble birth, and enforced strict discipline among his troops. Genghis Khan practiced Tengrism, believing in the eternal blue sky. Though a warrior, he respected all religions, encouraging tolerance across his empire. He created a law code called Yasa, which maintained order, rewarded honesty, and punished betrayal. Family was central to his life. He had many wives, but his first and most trusted was Borte. His children were trained in the art of war and governance. Despite being a fearsome conqueror, Genghis Khan's lifestyle emphasized humility, justice, and adaptability, values that helped unify the Mongol tribes and change the world forever.